supposed to be given to these things. It's not something difficult. The frequent exposure you expose yourself to these things, that is how come you become familiar with it. So let's gain grounds. Now, usually a single-stranded structure, but during mitosis division become double. They are saying that the chromosome at its initial stage, the RNA is single-stranded, and RNA naturally is single-stranded, and that is how the chromosome is. It has RNA at its initial stage, and every RNA is single-stranded. But upon mitosis, they become doubled. And when we talk of double helix, it's just the fact that there is being highlighted on what DNA. So DNA is double helix structure. Now, in more complex organisms such as plants and animals or eukaryotes, each somatic cell contains one set of chromosomes inherited from their maternal parents. Now, when you talk of somatic cell is talking about body cells. Now, when during fertilization or sexual reproduction or fertilization, 23 chromosome is coming from the paternal parents, and another 23 chromosomes is coming from the maternal parents. When this sums up, is giving a chromosome of 46, okay, but it's the 23rd chromosome that determines the sex of the child, and this 23rd chromosome is coming from that of the paternal parents, but the maternal parents always releases an XX chromosome. Now the paternal parents releases XY or XX, and depending on that particular chromosome that is being released, the 23rd chromosome is going to determine the sex of the child. But in a case whereby instead of 23 chromosomes that is supposed to be released at each discharge by both paternal and maternal parents, instead of 23 and a 22 chromosome is released instead of 23, we call that autosomic. Now, because of the context, that's why I'm saying autosomic. Now, but it's commonly known as autosome. Okay, it's commonly known as what? Autosome. So just in case you don't get a spelling, this is the spelling, autosome. Okay, so now that is it. Let's continue. Where are we? So now diploid means two